Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be making a special soup from Delta State, Nigeria. So this soup is called Banga soup. Banga soup is made from palm nut seeds. Palm trees are very resourceful. From there we get palm oil, palm fronds, but today we're using the concentrate from the palm nut seeds. So in Canada, we're not able to get the actual concentrate from pounding the seeds. We just get the one in a can. And I like to fry it first since it's coming out of a can. So as you see, we put that in a pot and then we fry it a bit. We also add crayfish at this point. So
this is the seed. This is the secret to your banga soup. Mom, what's the name of the seed? Ataiko. That's in Yoruba language. It's probably called a different thing in your language. But yeah, these are the
but
seeds.
they'll probably call something else in your language. You can just take this video and show your local food, African food market seller to show you where to find them. These seeds are also used. We blend them together with Cameroon pepper to add that spice and kick. Cameroon pepper is a must for banga soup. We'll also add some red pepper, ataiko, and we add crayfish. I cannot overemphasize it. I love crayfish and it adds sweetness and taste to your meal. So we're just going to grind the crayfish, the spices that I've just shown, and then we're going to pour it into the banga soup. After which we're going to add some iru, also called locust beans. I like that. It's not common to use iru to make banga soup, but I like that, so I add that to my banga soup. After frying the palm concentrate, I'm going to add some chopped onions, and then we're going to put in the turkey. So today we're using turkey, fresh turkey meat to make this banga soup. We're going to also add some fish. You can use baza fish, you can use catfish, you can use tilapia. Fish really goes well with banga soup. You can also use chicken or turkey. Today we're using turkey, and after we've fried the concentrate a bit, we add chopped onions and turkey to it. We're also going to add all the spices that we've mentioned earlier. We're going to add it after grinding it. We're also going to wash some small prawns. We're not going to grind those. We're just going to add it like that. These are the grinded pepper and spices that we showed earlier on in the video. We're adding them to the soup. Before we really start cooking it, we're just going to put everything in. That's one beautiful thing about banga soup. You can just put everything, put the lid on, and walk away. It's bubbling. Our soup is beginning to bubble. So after we put all the spices, Maggi, salt, pepper, all the spices we've shown, chopped onions, ataiko pepper, we're going to add lots of water that will cover up, and we're going to put, today we're using the splatter proof to just cover it. You can also put your lid on, put a lot of water. My sister is just adding Maggi there. And we're going to put a lot of water and cover to cook. These are the small prawns I mentioned earlier. We're not grinding this, just to give it a little bit of substance. We're also adding gizzard. Another thing we add are lime leaves. This is bitter leaf, dried bitter leaf. This we're adding lemongrass. We're also going to add lime leaves. At the end of the video, I'm going to put all the ingredients that we used, or you can check the description box below. So we're going to add lime leaves, commonly used to cook Thai food. So if you live in somewhere like Canada, the US, the UK, and you don't have access to scent leaf, we find that using a little bit of lime leaves, let's say just 2 leaves, works perfectly. I'm going to put the name of the lime leaves we used. I got it from TNT. You can find lime leaves in any TNT supermarket. This is our clay pot, our native clay pot called ewere. We're going to put the banga soup and enjoy with our families. So check out our video on how to make starch. Starch is the yellow wrap you see there, and it's best used for banga soup. these are all the ingredients that we used. You can pause and write. There's no order in which you have to put them in your pot. The only thing that has to come first is the palm concentrate. The others can just follow and go into the pot. And once you're done with that, you just put the lid on and cook for about 30 minutes. Your soup is ready to be served. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.